Okay, so we are going to start with our JavaScript course very shortly. But before that, what we are discussing over here, we are discussing our second project basically, which will be basically depending which will be mostly on HTML and CSS. So you all have to work on a project in which you all have to create a navigation bar, something like this. Okay, over here, it is not like that. You should have similar to this particular website, javatpoint.com. Okay, you can have this particular logo, like whatever logo you want to put, that logo can be put over here. Okay, next to that, over here in this navigation bar, you all have to put the topic names. Okay, like HTML we have completed CSS, we are going through this JavaScript. After that we will be completing Bootstrap. Okay, and later on what we will be having in our course is that uh, we will be having Canva as well. Okay, Canva as well, and we will be having some tips and tricks, something like what we can say, how we can register a free domain name, how we can host a website, okay, freely on freely available hosting space, something like that. For those things, you can have a separate section over here. And whenever we click on that particular section, suppose if I click on HTML, then you can see over here what we are getting. We are getting uh, we are getting some topics over here related to HTML only. We are not getting any topic which is related to CSS or JavaScript or Bootstrap. Okay, only all the topics which are related to HTML we are getting over here. Okay, basically all the tags and all everything elements, everything is present over here. So what you all have to do, as soon as the students click over here, they should be able to see all these things. If they click on form, okay, if they click on form, then you should have some data over here related to form, like you can have some description of form, what is form basically, why we use form. Okay, you can use your resources like online resources, whatever you can find online, or you can refer Java point as well. Okay, and after that you can have some syntaxes as well. Okay, and you can have some tags which we will be using in our forms. Okay, and all these things you all can have, and you can just create a sample area where we will be having everything related to that particular tag, form tag. Okay, after that, suppose if that person finishes that task, like if he or she understands everything about form, then that person will head towards suppose table. Okay, if that person wants to study about tables, so what you can do, you can just have another tab over here of tables, and from there, if that person clicks on that, you should display all the table things, okay, table related data over here, so that that person can understand. So why I'm trying to create this kind of website. Okay, because on all these websites, whenever you will be going, you will be getting a lot of information over here. Okay, you'll be getting a lot of information over here, which may be irrelevant for the beginners as well. Okay, which will be irrelevant to the beginners for time being, for right now. Okay, because that person has to understand the basics of each and everything first of all. Okay, after that, that person can go to the official website, like we have already discussed, like uh, MDN Mozilla. uh, this is the website, developer.mozilla.org. This is the best website to understand, to learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and everything. Okay, so from here if that person is has completed his or her beginner level information, like skills, things that person has studied, and after that if that person wants, like for you guys also I can recommend you all, like after completing this course, what you will be doing, you will be referring this particular website, okay, to understand about the tags which we have not covered in this course. Okay, why it is not possible to cover each and every thing in a particular course, because we do not have time for that. First of all, the main thing is that while teaching, what I think like I have to concentrate on that is something like how to implement a particular tag. Basically, you should be aware of that. If you are aware of that, then you can refer a specific tag from this particular website or from anywhere else in the world. Okay, and then if you know the basics how to implement those things in your website or web page, whatever you are creating, then you will be able to easily implement that in your development project, basically we can say. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm asking you all to just work on this particular project. Okay, so that that will be and I can guarantee you, and I'm just saying you, like the best project sorry, the best project what I'll be getting over here from all of you. Okay, anybody can create the any all are welcome to create this particular project. And if I get any particular project which I feel like this is the best project, okay, that I will be posting on my official website. Okay, I have my website as well over here. You can see thewishworld.com. Okay, this is my website, and over here what I'll be doing, under projects, I will be putting that particular project over here. Okay, I'll be generating a URL for that as well. Okay, a freely available URL. And as soon as, suppose we are getting traffic on that particular URL, okay, on that particular project, so what I'll be doing, I will be contacting you, okay, the person who will be creating that particular website, and we will be, what I'll be doing, I will be purchasing a actual domain for that particular thing, for that particular website, and I'll be putting that particular thing online. Okay, like over here you can see thewishworld.com is a purchased domain what I have purchased from godaddy.com. So like that I will be purchasing a domain, whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want, and we will be uploading that particular project on that particular domain. Okay, so that the other students who are beginners into this particular field, okay, they are benefited. Like they, first of all, they will be getting the basic informations, how they have to learn, how they have to understand, and how they have to use the tags and all, everything. If they understand from your website, after that they can refer any other web page. Okay, like MDN web docs is the best website what I can refer to anyone in the world, I can say. Okay, this is the best thing, the best place if you want to learn front end development. Okay, so from here that person can explore advanced tags, and that can be implemented in his or her projects. So for that I'm just giving you all an offer, like I want a unique project from all of you. It is not like that I'll be hosting that particular single project only over here. First of all, I'll be hosting all the projects, whatever everyone will be creating. Out of those, projects, if I find that that project is what I can say is very useful for the beginners and all everything, that we will be working further, and we will be having a domain for that, and I'll be uploading that particular project on that particular domain. Okay, so in this way what I'm doing, I am not only teaching over here a particular skill. Okay, I'm not teaching only a particular skill over here. I want you all to just try to create a business for yourself as well with the skills whatever you are learning. Okay, at this moment, you all, like, it is not like that you will be learning everything in this session only. You are working, you are learning at your colleges as well. So whatever things you are learning, just try to do, just try to implement those things in a in some business way or freelancing way or something, so that you start earning from that. If you start earning from that particular uh, skill what you have learned, then that will increase your what we can say, it will boost your confidence level as well, so that you can do much better things in that particular field. Okay, so I got one question over here. Bit difficult project. Okay, yeah, I know this is a bit difficult project, but um, see over here, if you try, if you give your 100%, there is nothing that cannot be accomplished. Okay, that cannot be achieved. Okay, please try to work on this particular project. I know that this project is a little bit difficult for you guys, but if you try for a difficult project, then you will be creating something which will be better than regular projects what others are making. Okay, please target high, so that you aim at least better than what normal people, average people are targeting. Basically, that is why I'm giving over here a difficult project, so that you all can have something which will be we can say, which will be making you all out of crowd candidate. Okay, out of crowd candidate. Okay, this project will be helping you all in your profile also. Like, if you show this particular project to your recruiters, they will be thinking like you have worked hard, and you have invested your skills, invested your time on this particular project, something like that. Okay, and don't worry about um, the help. Okay, I will be providing over here help, whatever help you require. Okay, but what I want from you guys is a small step. Okay, just take this challenge and try to just start it. Okay, as soon as we start, you will get a number of resources from where you will be able to create this thing. Okay, I'm not saying that you have to complete this before we complete our JavaScript. It is not like that. I know that this will take around 1 month to create. Okay, I know that this will take around 1 month to create this kind of project. Okay, so what I want, like, you might be wondering, like, our course will be completing in 10 or 15 days. So then how we will be checking this particular project? Don't worry about that. The moment I announce that I want to see CSS, the second project, like whatever I have given, you have to submit that particular project, whatever you have completed. Okay. One thing I want over here, that you all have to start working on this. Can we copy some code from already made? Yeah, you can. Like in this particular field, like in programming field, you know that, like if you are studying, suppose I can take an example, best example of Python language. Okay, why Python is becoming popular nowadays? Okay, because of its community. Okay, because of its huge community. So what is happening in that community? They are providing these solutions. Like if anybody is facing any problem in their project or any code or something like that, they post that particular code on that portal, like suppose you can say GitHub, Stack Overflow, all the at all these places. Okay, so what you get from there, you get solutions, like you get solutions of that bugs whatever you are facing in your code. Okay, and you're getting in web development, you will be getting n number of resources from where you can get some template or something like that. Please try to have that. Only one thing I want over here from you all, that you should know, you should have the logic. Okay, you should have the logic, like over here nobody do any project or something from scratch. Okay, when you will be starting your business or anything, nobody does everything from scratch. Don't worry about that, Ayushi. You can just I think I have discussed a number of things, so I'll just request you, please go through the recordings. That is why I have just started my recording as well. So I'll be uploading this video on YouTube. You can if you can go and see that recording, then that is fine. Otherwise I'll be later on I'll be just discussing. Don't worry about that. Okay, okay, thank you for understanding. Okay, so we have discussed all these things. Why I'm discussing all these things? Because I want you all to be one of the best candidates for this particular job role, basically we can say, or for this particular field, I can say. Okay, something like that. I want, I'm greedy little bit. I can say straight away on recordings. Okay, I'm little bit greedy. Greedy about what? Greedy about my name. Okay, greedy about my name. So that why I'm doing all these things, so that if you one day create something, and if you say that this particular boot camp, this particular uh, training, what was happening, that helped me. Okay, if you say my name someday, that will be my biggest reward in my entire life. Okay, that is the thing what I'm working for. I'm working for my name only. Okay, I'm not working for any rewards, monetary rewards. Okay, over here. So I want everyone, I'm helping all of you. Okay, I'm helping in the sense like I'm giving you the knowledge whatever I have. I'm sharing that particular knowledge. You can enhance that particular knowledge after getting that, and you can create something creative which will the world recognizes. Okay, and from that I'll be getting my recognition automatically. Okay, I'm working towards that. Basically, I just wanted to say you. So this will be the uh, second project what I want from you guys. Like you all can take a uh, take a note of this particular website. Okay, and you can take an example of this, and please try to work on this. At least try. Okay, at least try. If you're getting stuck somewhere, just let me know. Okay, I am here to help you in this particular project. Okay, don't worry about that ki, you all you alone cannot work on this particular project, so you are not going to start. Don't worry about that. Please start at your level, and whenever you are stuck somewhere, just ping me. I will be available to help you. If you are willing to work on this particular project, I am always there to help you. Okay, is it fine, everyone? Just let me know in the chat box. We have Ankita, Ayushi, Shubham, and Varshini. Yes, it will be a individual project only. It is not a group project. It's your individual project. Okay. So please at least try, start doing that. If you are getting stuck somewhere, just let me know. I will be able to help you all. Okay. So don't worry about that. Please take that first step. so that you can just climb that particular success staircase. Okay, please take that initiative. So are you all with me? Are you all going to work on this particular project? I got only one response. I am waiting for the others. Okay, so we are going to start our JavaScript now. Project discussion is over now. Let's start with our JavaScript. So what we are going to see today, we are going to see about we have seen some operators already yesterday. We have some multiplication and all. Just a minute. Before that, what I wanted you all to see, have I shared this particular website with you all? MDN website? If not, then please refer this particular website. I'm sharing over here in the chat. With everyone. Okay. So what we are going to learn today in today's session, we will be taking some small topic. Okay. Let's have conditions, statements. Let's have statements today. Okay. So what are statements basically? Okay. What are conditional statements? Why we use conditional statements? Any update, any feedback from you all? Just let me know. Why we use conditional statements in our programming? Just let me know your understanding. What is your understanding about conditional statement? Let it be any language. In all the languages, the explanation will be same. Okay. So the thing is that over here, conditional statements. Okay. So what we are going to see, we are going to see if, else, else if, and switch over here. Okay. So what is that basically? Let's understand with an example. Okay. With an example, let's understand that. So what we are going to have over here, h1 tag. Okay. Conditional statements. Okay. Conditional statements. Okay. Over here, let's have paragraph. If statement. If statements. Okay. And after that, what we want to have a script tag over here. Okay. Now, before that, let me just create one h3 tag as well. And over here, I'll be providing an ID. ID like result. Okay. Result will be the ID. Over here, what we want to do, we want to display some data over here. Okay. We want to display some data on this particular element. Okay, depending upon the condition what we have, like whenever let's understand about conditional statement. What are conditional statements? First of all, suppose, let's take a real scenario over here. Suppose if we want to travel to your college, okay, what are the means of transport? First of all, you can have your own bike, you can have your own car, okay, that is one condition. Like if you have that uh, vehicle at present at your home, okay, nobody has taken that to somewhere, then you will be taking that and going to your college. That is the first condition. Second condition, if that is not available, then you will be going to public transport. Okay, you will take a cab, you will take a taxi, you will take a auto rickshaw, you will take a train, okay, you will take a bus or something. You then after that you will be going to your college. Okay, this is the second condition. Third condition, if nothing is available, okay, if nothing is available, two of the conditions are getting failed. Like you do not have anything from your house, okay, no vehicles available at your house currently, so you will switch to the second option, that is public transport. If that is also not available on that day, so what you will do, and your college and home distance very far, like you can say 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers away, okay, you cannot walk also to that particular location. At that time what you have to do, you have to declare it as holiday. Okay, you have to declare it as holiday. So over here what we have seen three conditions. Like if we have own vehicle, we will be driving with that to our college. If not, if that condition becomes false, then we will be switching to public transport. If that condition gets fulfilled, or if we get public transport, that means what, that condition is becoming true, so you will be going to your college with public transport. Okay, that is becoming true, you will be going with public transport. And in this scenario what is happening, you will not take your vehicle, first condition will become false. Third condition, which was you will declare your own holiday, that will also will not happen, because you are going to your college with the help of public transport. Okay, if public transport is also not available, if that condition is becoming false, then there is only one option available right now, that is you have to declare it holiday for yourself. Okay, so this is the thing, like you will be whenever you do anything, you have some conditions. Like if I have a pen, okay, I will write the notes. Okay, if I have a refill in that, then I'll write the notes. If I do not have my pen or my notebook, I will not write the notes in my notebook. Instead of that, I'll be using a laptop. On that, I'll be starting a notepad, and in that, I'll be taking notes. If my laptop is also not available, then nothing I can do. I will be just listening the recordings later on, and then while listening the recording, I'll be making the notes. At that time, I will manage something to write the notes or something like that. So these are all the examples of conditional statements. Okay, this all things make you let you help to achieve something with the help of different options. Okay, if one option fails, you switch to other. If the other option fails, you switch to third, something like that. So this is the main reason why we have conditional statements in all the languages. Basically, we can say in all the programming languages we have conditional statements. So let's see over here. Let's understand over here. Suppose I'm creating a name variable, and over here I'm saving as div. Okay, okay, now what I'm going to do, if within that parenthesis I have to give the condition. Okay, give the condition. Over here we are looking on if statement. That means we will be having only one condition. If name equal to, okay, yeah, over here just see, if name equal to Dev, okay, if name equal to Dev, document dot get element by id result inner HTML hello Dev. Okay, hello Dev. So over here you can see I have used single equal to sign. Okay, then also we are getting this particular result, but this is wrong basically, because single equal to sign is assignment operator. Okay, that is assignment operator. Over here what we have to use, we have to use comparison operator. So for that we have to use we can use double also. Okay, here we are using comparison operator. Okay, if name variable whatever we have created is storing value as Dev, then print this particular data. Where the id is result. Okay, if I change over here, if I write over here suppose Shubham, are we getting that particular thing? Are we getting hello Dev over here? No, because what is happening over here in this scenario, this particular condition is becoming false. Okay, it's becoming false because my name variable is storing dev. Okay, and over here I'm saying if name is equal to Shubham, then print this. Okay, over here it will check whether the value which is stored in name variable is Shubham or not. It finds that the value what is stored in name variable is dev, not Shubham. Okay, so at that time it becomes false and it does not print anything over here. Okay, if you are using if statement, in that scenario if the condition becomes true, then only we will be getting the result, otherwise nothing will be printed. If I change over here Dev, then you can see over here we are getting hello Dev. Okay, that means this condition is becoming true. That is why this line of code is getting executed and we are getting this particular data over here. Okay, in if statement only if the statement is, if the condition is true, then only this particular line will be executing, otherwise it will not execute. Okay, so it is not the good idea to implement this we can say this only one condition. Okay, we should always think in other way around with respect to the users. Okay, so if they are providing something, some data which is not equal to the data which we are comparing with, okay, they will not get any output over here. They will think that our program is not working at all. Okay, they will think that our program is not working at all. So in that scenario what we should use, we should also use else condition. Okay, if the name is not equal to Dev, then we should show something else. Okay, show something else. So over here, hello, we can say something like hello everyone. That's it. System generated message, something like that I can show over here. Okay, So what I can see over here now, if I write Shubham over here, you can see what I'm getting. Hello everyone, system generated message. That means this particular condition, what we have given in if statement, is becoming false. So this block of code is not getting executed. It's switching to else condition, and over here it's printing this data on the screen. So what will happen? The user will think that yes, this name is not available. The name whatever is stored, that is not available, like that is not getting satisfied, that condition is not getting satisfied. That is why we are getting this particular else block executed, and we are getting this particular message on our screen. So this is basically uh, exception handling. Okay, we are handling the exceptions, like if this condition not really, but we are thinking about the users as well. Like if this condition becomes false, we are not generating any data on the screen, then user will get panic. Okay, oh wow, why it is not working, what happened with my code or something, whether my application is not working, what is happening, something like that can happen. Okay, so to reduce that, to eradicate that, you have to use else condition as well. Are you all getting whatever we have discussed till now? Just let me know in the chat box, please. Hello, are you all there? Okay. Others, just let me know whether you are getting it or not. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So this is one thing what I wanted to explain today. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to see the next things in our conditional statements tomorrow. Okay. Till then, what you all can do, I'll be just uploading all these things on my GitHub repository. Please download and practice. Thank you for connecting in today's session. See you all tomorrow at 10 p.m. Thank you.